Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've ever had poison ivy, you know that it is just the worst. I recently came into contact with some poison ivy, and so I remembered that in the past I had used this product and it had really helped me. So I went ahead and got some of this ZANFEL. So this ZANFEL is a 1 ounce tube and it's really easy to use, and for me it has been very helpful in dealing with the itchiness of poison ivy. So what you do is follow the instructions and it's very clear. You measure out the amount directed on the tube. It's about 1.5 inches of the product, and then you're ready to use it. So you'll rub your hands together with a little bit of water with the product, and then you apply it to the affected areas. I've used it a couple of times and it is continuing to improve, and I feel so much better. So if you're dealing with some poison ivy and looking for relief, then I would definitely give this a try. It has been very helpful for me, and that is my point of view.